think they will do everything, including yung magiging strategy din ng legal defense nila. Alam nyo naman, nag-file na siya ng appearance ad cautelam pa. So ad cautelam because I think they're going to do something else.
Correct.
Hindi rin malayo na dun sa answer ni VP Sara na supposedly to be filed within 10 days. I think malapit na yung deadline.
The deadline is today.
O see, today.
Kaya yung 10,
So,
10
10
days
days
lang.
today, but kung holiday or weekend, the next day.
Hindi,
So,
alam mo, ang dapat malaman ng taong bayan yan. Ito pong impeachment, i-cover to live at pag-uusapan dito, lahat ng
Daily
krimen, lahat ng mga ginawang pagnanakaw, lahat ng mga ginawang kamalian, at ipapaliwanag kung paano ginawa. Halimbawa, yung nasa gitna ng pandemic biglang nagkaroon ng, alam po, ilang hundreds of billions yan na ang promotor ngayon proven to be a drug lord, yung Michael Yang na best friend ni Duterte, di ba? Ayun, dapat halungkatin lahat yon. At itong namang impeachment proceedings, kung well covered dyan, makikita ng tao at maiintindihan kung gaano kalaki yung mga krimen.
I think tama si Senator Lino na if this goes to trial, lalabas ang evidence.
Yes.
And that's what VP Sara and her team don't want to happen. So, yun, nakikita natin yung move ng ombudsman, no?
Correct.
Basang-basa, tama ka, Senator Lai, na in the remaining days, he has 2 or 3 weeks hanggang July 27. Pwede niyang sabihin na no probable cause, dismiss. Gagamitin ngayon yan
Exactly.
ng defense team to say, tingnan mo, Sandigan ba yan, which is a criminal, ombudsman, which is criminal in nature, no probable cause. Sasabihin rin nila yung pending ang kaso sa Supreme Court.
Supreme Court din. So lahat yan magkatugma-tugma. It could be really part of the strategy na yan na nakikita na, nababasa na. So this is really cause for concern kasi ang pinaka-ano lang naman yan, pinaka-objective is hanggat maaari hindi dapat magkaroon ng trial proper. Hanggat maaari hindi dapat lumabas ang mga ebidensya.
Ang dami nga.
So they're really, we can say they're really scared. I mean, the VP Sara is scared. Ito nga ginagawa niya ngayon na hindi mo na alam kung nagtatrabaho siya as Vice President. Kasi kung palagi na lang siyang abroad, nagmi-meet ng mga supporters nila. The latest is that I think she's going or
to Australia.
She left already for Australia to meet and to have again there
Rally.
some sort of a rally. Yung pauwiin si
Four
Digong
times.
Duterte.